Hello and welcome back to a year of content from CS Design Studios, all focused around the invaluable tool that is Google My Business. Today, we're talking all about Google's Insights tool and how to use that feedback to optimize online conversions for your business. Stick around for more. Welcome to this month's video with all the info on insights you need to succeed. We are currently in the 4th month of our 12-month series dedicated to diving into all this online development tool has to offer. Last month, we covered posting on Google My Business and why it's more powerful for building your client base than Facebook or Instagram. So feel free to check that one out and be sure to subscribe so you never miss the video that could hold the secret to increasing your conversions online. Let's get started. The Google My Business Insights tab gives you an inside look at how people find your business listing on the web. Because many customers find businesses on Google Search and Maps, Insights focuses on how customers use Search and Maps to find your listing and what they do once they find it. One of the first data points Google My Business Insights offers is how customers search for your business, broken down into direct, discovery, and branded search. Direct search is a customer typing your business name directly into the search bar. And discovery search is a customer coming upon your listing by searching under a general category of products or services. Branded search is a customer finding your listing based on searching for a related brand or business. The recurrence of each of these types of search for your business are laid out on a graph, giving you insight as to what's working and what's not when it comes to your search engine optimization plan. The next section is where customers view your business on Google, meaning finding your listing in search or finding it on Maps. A high amount of traffic from Google Maps means that customers are most likely looking for your business on their mobile device and using location services, which makes it all the more important that your business has a responsive web page for mobile. That is, if it doesn't already. Once you get that user to your business listing, there's feedback in the Customer Actions section as to the general action that user took on your page. Did they visit the Reviews section and then navigate away? Maybe you need to spend some more time on reputation management. But don't worry, we have a video on that too. This is also a great place to see how posts and photos are performing. Businesses with more photos receive more calls than their competitors with less. And speaking of calls, you can track those too, to see what months and even which days of the week result in the most conversions for your business. The last Insights tool we'll touch on today is maybe one of the most powerful, and that is the Direction Request section. Using Google Maps, you're able to see where customers are requesting directions to your business from. With this information in mind, you can better utilize your marketing dollars and efforts to target the customers that are trying to find their way to you. Here at CS Design Studios, we understand that all that Google My Business has to offer can be overwhelming, which is why we've dedicated a year to covering it here in video form. But we've also dedicated a team to optimizing our clients' Google My Business profiles to make sure regular posting, consistent SEO, graceful reputation management, and more are all working together to make your business the top choice online. We invite you to learn more about that with a visit to our website at csdesignstudios.com. And remember that we are going to be sharing our digital marketing tricks of the trade every month here on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to helping you grow your business with every new video.